The Kenyan government has been exposed as an update from Barrister Igboho meeting with his client Nnamdi Kanu yesterday, 2nd July 2021. It debunked the news about the Kenyan state not being aware of the illegal kidnap and adoption of Mr. Nnamdi Kanu. My people, you're welcome to this YouTube channel K&G TV, where we do celebrity news and social media wahala. If you like what we do, please don't forget to subscribe and turn on your post notification. Without wasting most of your time, let's dive into the update. I read, my client Nnamdi Kanu was actually abducted by the accused Kenyan's Special Police Force on the 18th of June 2021 at their international airport, and consequently taken to an undisclosed residence under dehumanizing conditions. He was tortured and subjected to all forms of inhuman treatment, which worsened his health condition. He was illegally detained for 8 good days in Kenya before being transferred to their Nigerian counterpart. He was purportedly investigated on a bogus charge while in their custody, ostensibly awaiting to be handed over after their findings proved him innocent of all the spurious allegations. They later began on their Nigerian counterparts to take over. Kenyan government was deeply involved in the abduction, detention, and ill treatment of my clients before the illegal handover to their Nigerian counterparts. A scan of his heart showed that the heart has enlarged by 13% due to the dehumanizing treatment meted to him. There will be need for immediate proper medical examination and attention for him. Nnamdi Kanu conveyed his goodwill message to all IPOB family members worldwide and craved for your unrelentless prayers. We are going back to the court for the needful. Other details cannot be entertained here. His fortified legal team will address these infractions at the proper forum as we progress. Other details on our legal strategy may not be made public. With Chukwuemeka Abịama on our side, victory is ours. For if God Almighty be for us, who can be against us? Finished. So my beautiful people, you have heard the message Barrister Igboho brought out, as in the Kenyan state was fully involved in the abduction and kidnapping and ill treatment of Nnamdi Kanu. As this update pops up, it thereby debunks the video the president of Kenya brought up, denying the implication or denying their attention and involvement in the illegal abduction and kidnapping of Nnamdi Kanu. If you're here and you've not watched the video of how the president of Kenya came up in a video and actually denied the accusation, please do well to watch the continuation. As for now, I'll leave you people. Please do not forget to subscribe, to like, to share the video, and of course turn on your post notification for any updates. I'll see you in my next video. As of now, I'm gone. Peace, freedom.
Nnamdi Kanu. I want to address this allegation by denying that Kenya was involved in the alleged arrest in Kenya and extradition to Nigeria of Mr. Kanu. And I repeat, I want to address this allegation by denying that Kenya was involved in the alleged arrest in Kenya and extradition to Nigeria of Mr. Kanu. To us, therefore, these allegations are fictional, imaginary, and deliberately concocted to fuel antagonistic feelings amongst certain sections of the Nigerian people against the Kenyan people. And indeed, many countries have been accused. Rwanda, Czech Republic, Britain, Ethiopia, and God knows which other countries. I want to challenge anyone with facts relating to this alleged arrest in Kenya to present these facts. This will include when, how, and who was particularly involved in the alleged arrest. And in any case, I believe you are all Nigerians. Nigeria is a sovereign country. It's your country. Instead of facing the Kenyan High Commission to Nigeria to ask some of these questions, you should face your own government. The government of Nigeria knows how they arrested, maybe in Nigeria, and took Kanu to court. They have the answers, not me. We are also disturbed, dismayed, and astonished by the unfortunate statement of this alleged arrest in Kenya, which was carried in the Nation newspaper today. The government of Kenya is particularly appalled by these spurious, derogatory, and libelous mention of the name of our dear president in this matter, as has been reported in the Nation, dated 2nd July 2021. It's unfortunate. I, as the High Commissioner of the Republic of Kenya in the Federal Republic of Nigeria, wish to categorically emphasize that our two countries, Kenya and Nigeria, have and continue to enjoy cordial diplomatic relations with both federal government of Nigeria and its great accommodating and amiable citizens. We have no intention of interfering with internal affairs of Nigeria, which includes arresting of our own citizens on matters of crime. Kenya is committed to sustain the historical bond of friendship between our two governments and the peoples of our two countries. We wish further to cement our diplomatic relations with a view to ensure mutually beneficial relations between our two countries. In conclusion, on this case of alleged arrest in Kenya of Mr. Kanu, I wish to categorically state here that we are not happy at this ridiculous attempt of dragging the name of Kenya and His Excellency President Uhuru Kenyatta on this matter of arrest and extradition of the self-acclaimed IPOB leader. Thank you for your audience. You will get us a copy of this statement. I don't know how many copies you have made available, and I wish to comment no further. Thank you very much.
Thank you.